Hi guys, today's topic is APM jewelry packaging. Let's get started. Here is the latest collection I bought online. There are 3 boxes here. Let's have a look at the first box. It is navy blue color with metallic GoFo logo on top. If you notice this ribbon handle, I think the designer is very clever because you can carry it directly on the street rather than just pay for additional cost for the paper bag. Inside the box, you can find an envelope with an A4 paper invoice inside. You can even find some care instructions and also return policies. Now we found 2 boxes lying in the inserted divider. On one of the boxes, there is an identification card showing that the brand is actually designed in Monaco. Let's open one of the boxes inside. Okay, I found the ribbon is actually attached at the bottom of the box. So when I need to close the box again, I can just easily tie it up. The inner part of the box is covered with soft velvet fabric, which can protect the jewelry from scratches. Now I see a drawstring pouch inside. It is made of cotton fabric with an logo embroidery on it. Inside the pouch, there's a divider, so we can separate different jewelries rather than just mess them up. Under the jewelry bag is a jewelry wiper. There's an embossed logo on it. If you need to clean the jewelry, this one can be very helpful. So far, I think both you and me are satisfied with the packaging ideas. But what's inside in these 2 boxes? Let's check. Oops! There are 2 beautiful jewelry display boxes. One is a purple velvet fabric box with embroidered logo, and the other one is a denim fabric box with embossed logo inside. It's amazing, right? All I expected is just a pair of earrings and a necklace. But you can see, this is all I have got. Now you may want to adapt some ideas into your packaging. But which way is more suitable for your budget? Our budget time may help you. First of all, let's have a look at the magnetic paper box. It's about 1000 GSM thickness, which makes it strong enough to protect the items inside. It is about $3 for 500 pieces MOQ, and price goes down a lot with a bigger quantity. As for the paper gift box, it is simple design with a ribbon glued at the bottom. Inside velvet material makes it more luxury, but also add additional craft words in production. So the price ends up expensive than common lid and bottom box. Its MOQ is also 500 pieces. The drawstring pouch is made with 8-ounce cotton. 8-ounce is a good quality regarding cotton fabric. With its logo embroidered on one side, approximate price is between 60 cents to $1.5. Last item we want to talk about is display box. Display box is all craft words, so experienced and skillful workers are very important in production. MOQ is 500 pieces. Unit price is about $8 to $12. I suggest this can be considered as a special gift for VIP customers or dispatch on special occasions like Christmas, Thanksgiving. It will impress target consumers very much. Now you know what you can do within your budget. Any question? Leave comment at inform@deepkinglabels.com. I am Rachel, Sales Manager of Deepking Label. See you next time.